Alright, we got orange. Gotta see what the hell. Damn, that ripped up. Still just waiting. Oh my God. Might get another short in the Dow. I gotta check my YouTube real quick just to make sure it sounds okay. There's another short on the Dow. Micro Dow. I'm in too. Damn, there's like no volume for the music. Damn, there's like no volume for the music. There's like no volume for the music. Yo. Yeah, I'm having a fucked up week. I think I could fix Apex though. TikTok. Oof. I'm trying to turn up the volume here. Yeah, I'm having a That's me talking on my YouTube, sorry. I mean on my phone. Fucked up week. I think I could fix Apex though. TikTok. Oof. Trying to turn up the volume here. Yeah, I'm having a That's me talking on my YouTube, sorry. Try to go live on my thing too. Oh, Liberty, my man. Bro, you guys got different names. I can't keep up. I could probably go live in the voice channel too. But I don't know what I'm doing. I am I'm gonna be trading Apex. And then I'm gonna be doing. Why the fuck is nothing working? And then I'm gonna be doing take profit trader. I have that on right now. So I'm only gonna make like $100 on my other one, and then I'm gonna take more on this one and see what happens. Because this one has less rules. Less rules. Trying to see if it's too loud. It don't look too loud. Less rules. Trying to see if it's too loud. It don't look too loud. I feel like I'm fucking delayed. I don't like it. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta pay attention. These are all going up. Let's see if this comes back just a little bit, then we'll enter. Oh. I fucked up on my Dow, not paying attention. It's okay. I'll get it back. When it's a fake account, I'm definitely a lot more aggressive. I could see it. You would turn orange right there. There's some weird news. I don't even know what the hell this means. Redbook. Johnson Redbook Index is a sales weighted of year over year, same store sales growth in a sample of large U.S. general merchandise. I'm going to take profit on this as soon as I can. Because I think they're all going to come right back down, and I'll get out of this for a positive too. I'll get lucky in this one. Gotcha. Is the music too low? I have it full fucking blast over there. All right, we got out of this one. I don't want to chase this though, because everything is kind of disagreeing with each other. All right, I'm cool with this. Music's a little low. She's blasting on my end. I don't want to do that. Well, that one would actually turn out okay.
Every movement, every note, and every story on this stage carries a deeper purpose. It's more than just a performance, it's a mission. That through dance and music, we bring our inner spiritual world to the physical world. A mission to bring the beauty of the divine to life on stage. We believe that all humans came from heaven, no matter your race, culture, or religion, and that we all desire to return home. Our journey begins with a simple meditation practice.
I wonder if this stupid thing has more,
Falun Dafa was introduced.
See, where the hell did this come from? The job jolts. This thing's fucking up lately.
By 1999, 70 to 100 million people in China
I cannot get the fucking music better.
Falun Dafa, experiencing profound mental and physical benefits.
So that's at 10:10. So that's in 10 minutes. I mean, it's at 10 o'clock. That's in 2 minutes. Okay. This wasn't showing up before when I was looking. Maybe my restream. Maybe my restream. Fucking JB. Missing for 10 fucking days. Fucking JB. Missing for 10 fucking days. Sorry, I was trying to figure out my volume. Oh, desktop Test. It should be better. Alright, that should be better. News just came out, so let's focus. Let's focus. Let's fucking make some money this week. Fuck TikTok. Ah, sorry to hear that, brother. Sorry to hear that. Do you hear me on YouTube? I'm trying to mess with it just a little bit because nobody can hear me. Yep, it is part of life. Sucks. Right off the fucking 61 and blast up. Let's see what it said. Okay, cool. Thanks, United States government. Some of you guys are probably for TikTok. I don't know your real names. Sorry. Okay, Jolt, jobs, openings. We 7.74. That's really good. It's really good. It's not even close to what they were saying on the news. It's low. I'll check YouTube.
Hey, it's me, Cyndi Lauper. I'm going on Girls Just Wanna Have
Hello?
Fun farewell tour. Cyndi Lauper. It's the final.
I don't think it's that bad on my end.
With Jake Wesley Rogers. Get tickets Friday at livenation.com.
I don't think it's that bad on my end. I just turned it up a little bit. I can see the 3 to 5 second lag though. I don't like that. I just turned it up a little bit. I can see the 3 to 5 second lag though. I don't like that. Alright, there we go. I wonder if he's gonna make a bigger move and play with her feelings. We'll have to see. Nope. All right, we're going down. So now we should be looking for more of a downtrend. Right, we got out of that red. We'll see where this comes. If this comes down like here, that would be awesome for the pullback and then down. Let's see what everything else is doing. Ooh, Dow is moving, bro. I'm not opposed to entering in here in Dow. Of course, it's oversold right there. But I'm cool with this. Micro Dow entry. I'm sure it'll hit this 500. I can also scale in this a little bit more. TikTok and YouTube is going to give me like a 10,000% interest rate. Like people that are interested. I can't believe fucking TikTok, bro. I bet you it's some fucking liberal that got mad at me. Just wanted to see if I'm still yep, I'm banned. I don't like this. How this is still fucking orange. That means it's fucking whacked right now. All right, so now this NASDAQ is going right into the 61, and we're gonna wait. TikTok's too soft, bro. There's people that watch it to see what they're appealing, so there are definitely some others on the other side that don't like what I was saying. I might keep out all anything politics. I'm not even gonna mention it with money. Just have some patience here. I think it's gonna diddly around a little bit. BTC, just looking at it really quick, we could do something stupid like this. I was hoping it was gonna be a straight down, but now that I'm looking at it, it might be an ABC fucking move. 5 ways down, ABC up to B, and then a dramatic C. And that would bring it to probably around May, where we would start to get bullish. which is annoying, but it's kind of clear as day that it's probably going to do something like this. Kind of a bull trap, exactly. Exactly. I was just hoping it was just going to be that long shot down. But now I'm wondering if alt season's going to start right this second. Or it's not. See, alt season can start during this entire run right here. And then finally start to collapse after. And then go back right back to Bitcoin dominance. We'll have to see. Man. Why are you doing this? This is still looking good though. Just came out of that one arrow. Just being patient, guys. We've had to have patience in the past couple weeks here, I've seen. It's better to give back money, trust me. I wonder if it's going to start reversing now, right off of that resistance. I'll make this bigger in a second once it comes back down. So I was reading Take Profit Trader.
There's a reason your family is the way it is.
All you got to do is make 3,000 and at least trade 5 days for the test. I just want to pay attention to this. I just want to get out of this Dow. So yeah, it's annoying that it's 5 days, but it should be taking 5 days anyway. And then after it's gonna be, what the hell is it? You can take out profit day one after you make the buffer zone. So after you pass, you got to make an extra 3,000. Then anything past 3,000. You can take out in cash instantly that day, which is pretty fucking cool. No questions asked, as long as you don't trade the news. 1 minute before and 1 minute after. If they're legit, and I'm reading that everybody's getting their actual payouts, that's fucking amazing. All right, we're getting this short here. This is what I thought it was going to happen. I'm probably going to enter in now. I'm going to be a little bit aggressive on this one. This is my, what the hell is it called? My test account for TikTok Trader, so that's why I'm being a little bit more aggressive. It is 50K, yeah. It's a little bit more money up front, so make sure that you can pass them before you do it. So it's like $110 for TikTok Trader, but it's only a one-time fee. As in Apex, it's, say you do the coupon code, it's like $36. If you pass, then you got to pay another $100, right? So this one's just a one-time fee. So I can see where they get fuckers, right? You got to be a good trader for sure. But if you can get to that final step, the benefits are probably wild. So say I have a $3,000 day, I can take that 3K out right then and there, which is fucking awesome. So if you really wanted to, you can just keep, you know, scalping away at your account, as opposed to Apex. They want every 8 days and they want 5 days profitable of $50 or more, which is okay because I did that easily, right? But I was reading it. They said in the beginning, I accidentally, I guess, DCA'd too much, and I let my my drawdown go too much. They didn't like it. It was more than 30%. So now I gotta continue the week, do good, but make base hits, if that makes sense, to like reset it. So I'll do like $200 a day, and I'll move to I can't say this fucking account name. This is probably gonna bounce off of this area, so we're gonna look at it. This is definitely a good one so far. If this is the bottom of this one, do we want to hold it for another retest or no? All right, we got orange. So it wouldn't be wrong to take out here. Any kind of bullishness, I'm getting out. Damn. All right. Get back half there. Well, on that little bit. Fuck, yo. You guys in Twitch get to see grade it here. If you guys can tell me what he's saying, I would love to hear it. Gotchi-gasm. Alright, is he saying I'm lying? You lying? You be tripping me out, man. I just look over and I'm like, what is he saying? I guess on TikTok and YouTube I can show him my account, right? I don't think I'll get banned over here. Alright, so 338. Bro, what is he saying? Gotchi-gasm. But he talks like this all day. All day. I just look over and he's like, you lying. Gotchi-gasm. Gotchi-gasm. Damn, this is going to hit my normal spot, isn't it? We got psyched out. They got me. They got me. Original spot. Still bouncing off the 61 though. Is it? Damn. Sometimes I feel fucking old when I don't know that shit. Well, how come I can't fucking... Oh, gotcha. He'd look it up. Cool. But what is the ULNG? What is that? You lying? Because he never spells the entire word. And then there's like weird spaces. It's either he's fucking been trolling me for weeks or he's from a different country. I can't tell yet. Gotcha, Gotham. Gotcha, Gotham. Gotcha, Gotham. He's gonna continue down, or what? Alright, so we got that bounce up finally, the break above. And now, I don't want to get confused. Fucking powers. Who works? All right, so we had one nice winner there. I didn't like how it didn't give us the second oversold. Where the hell is this Fibonacci that I made? And now we can draw another one here. See if it touches. Maybe it won't. Who really gives a fuck? As long as it gives us a signal, right? Miss Cindy. Well, well, well. I could probably put this chat over so everybody can see, so everybody can mingle. All right, cool. Still learning the Discord here. This might be too committee in Washington. Yeah, it definitely is
It was
a
absolutely
little
amazingly divine.
One of the most
slower.
extraordinary evenings of my life. I really mean that. Joyful.
And I don't know how to. Oh, we're getting a short signal.
Usually I'm not speechless.
All right, I'm entering in 2. Let's see if it's gonna do something like this. We'll draw the line. I'll get rid of this mess. So it's been kind of bouncing off the 78, but over time, it has been making it to the 1.6. I don't like this up here. You're gonna be gone, bruh. There you go. There you go. All right. Let's see. JR, I'm doing TikTok trader, take profit trader. All right, we got yellow, boys. We got yellow. Wow, that fucking disappeared. Oh no, I took profit. All right, I'm gonna get out. All right, so I am up $384. I feel like it wants to go down further, but we'll wait for another signal. Yeah, take profit trader. So I was looking at it, so if you guys don't know, I made like almost 10 G's on my Apex. I went to go do a take money out, and they said that I broke a rule. Yeah, 130 fee total, no activation fee. So if you're, I only recommend to the guys that can pass accounts, because obviously it's a large fee up front, but if you can take it, if you can pass, make $3,000, and then after you got to watch though to intraday trailing down until you get past the 3,000. But once you get past the 3,000, it stops trailing you, and any money you make, you can take out that day, no questions asked. As long as it's not like you traded during the news, they don't ask any questions, which is pretty fucking cool. Every day. So if you have $2,000 that you made that day, you can take out instantly. It doesn't 10K. I don't know. I've been seeing people saying that they've been taking out like 20, 30K sometimes. But you can't trade during news, and you gotta watch, because maybe there's some hidden thing that says 10K a day, but I think I'm pretty cool with 10K a day with a 300K a month. But there's a catch. It's a end of live profit trailing until you make your three damn, I can't talk today. Until you make your, what the hell is it called, static stop loss. So say you have a $50,000 account, you got to make 53,000, and then your trailing stop will stop at 50K. So you got to be good. You can't just be out there slinging it. And Apex might be good still. Apex, I just got to see if I can recover this. I'm going to trade very low on Apex. I'm just going to make like $200 a day. And then see if it evens it out. Because it said that I DCA'd too much. Which they said that you can do. But I guess I let my one of my trades was too high of a loss when I was holding it. Yeah, I think you can. I'm cool with it. It's just us. There's a way around it. I was just gonna make like $100 to $200 a day, and then for 5 days, see if it resets. Yeah, 50 a day or more. I was just gonna do that so it resets. Yeah, exactly. So that's why I'm going to try this take profit trader. Exactly, $2,000. So if you're good on take profit trader, you can seriously make some real fucking cash, it seems like. I'll judge it when I get there though. It does take 5 days to get to the real account, and you still got to make 3 G's. You can take as long as you want, but it has to be a minimum of 5 days. Which is probably where they get a lot of their money from up front, because people can't pass accounts, right? So their $110 they're getting instantly. And then when they switch over to a live account, it's trailing as your profit. So you have to trade small. You can't be going out there with 20 contracts, or else you're gonna blow your account up. Yeah, you can keep requesting the max payout every day as long as you make it. Yeah, I see that. 50%. It needs to go up right here though. That's 50. I just been watching the fibs with my signals. My signals have mostly been on point, but I've been seeing if it wants to just love tap it and then come down. Because this can easily do this move right here. Come right down to this 61.78%. And then bounce up real quick. I'm going to keep it on just for now to see what happens. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm going to be trading my Apex slowly. If I can get my payouts, then I'll slowly go back into it. And then I'm going to try this take profit trader account at the same time. And if I could start fucking withdrawing daily on that, that's probably the way to go. You just gotta watch you don't give back too much. You can probably give like yourself a buffer too, like your 2,000, and say you make an extra 2 Gs. You just leave that as your 4 Gs, 4,000 as your safety net. There is no 30% rule. Well, there's a 50% rule in the test one, but that's really not that hard, especially if you're gonna trade over 5 days. All right, we might get a signal here. And then most likely we're gonna hit this 281 area. I'm just gonna be patient. Because this can pull back a little bit, and then it might do something like this. I know I make a mess here. If this is too messy, just let me know, guys. We'll see. I know my brain's a madness. Yeah, JB for sure. Oh, I thought I had a bigger thing in here. I ain't being a little aggressive because this is a test account. $19,300 big limit order. 139 limit order waiting. Yeah, but if it squeezes through that, it's going down, right? Oh, maybe I need to change it? So this is exactly what it did, what I said I was going to do. My bad, bros. Give me 1 second. So went right to that 78, and now it's coming back down. I'm going to do my 3 there, and I like that area. Now let's see if it wants to do the breakdown here. It'll squeeze down hard. Yeah, let's see. And that is... The 1.16 was 280. I think you should build a connect now. I just changed one of the settings. All right, so we're almost at that one. We're at that 300, right? This is either gonna crack, boys, or it's not. It's looking a little squeezy, to be honest with you. We might start getting oversold here, so we might, maybe we'll take out one. Alright, I'm gonna take out one because we're up $400. Because it might reject to this area, right? Yeah, it looks like I gave permission. All right, JB. It might be me, man. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. The Mandarin guy. You can always share your screen too, it looks like. It showed that you unmuted yourself for a second. All right, breaking through. Very nice. Very nice. Now we could be smart. And just get out of this now. Or maybe we'll just we'll be smarter and take out one contract. How about that? Double bottom. Could have been. But I think that was a good stop loss right here. This short. I did get in a little early here with that short. You could have waited until it stuck. $340 sounds fucking amazing. I would tell you to Liberty, enjoy your job, but you probably won't. Absolutely take a little bit of the bag. I'm waiting to see if it closes below the wicks. Yeah, me too. Well, I got one left. Let's see. It is kind of looking a little bullish again, so I might take some profit. Whatever. $742, boys. Previous day low. I see. Can bounce here. But our pre-market, or not pre-market, our daily low is down here. Bearish. Bearish. We are very far away from our cloud in the 5-minute. And on the 5-minute, actually points out this is a resist support, so be careful. Wow, ripped up. See, you're never wrong taking profit during that, right? Woo! JB, whatever you do, just leave it at one contract. All right? On Discord. Oh, you would have took one long there? You're gangsta, bro. I don't know if I would have did that. I don't like catching the knives. Maybe if I could see where this was. Let's see. This is gonna be funny if this is we're gonna take this off for 1 second. Ready? If this is the fucking 78, bro. Almost. So I feel like it can come back down. I mean, sometimes this is the golden pocket, right? So this could be a potential reversal area. $75. That's awesome, JB on Discord. I don't know if it's a good thing, JR, or a bad thing that he's out. But whatever it is, I hope it's a good thing. Hope he's doing better. Oh, you're an inspector, bro? Fucking Libby's an inspector. Everything makes sense now. Oh, that's funny. JB on Discord. We're going to... Later, JR. We are going to take better trades, right? $75. I'm pumped for you, bro. I'm pumped. This looks so fucking bullish, too. But I think we should wait. We have this cloud here. On my hands until we have a good, strong confluence. I don't want to give anything back now. Bro, one little baby trade's got you. I'm going to help. We're going to make you succeed here, bro. So this obviously is confused. Bounce off the 5 minute. We can probably say that it's going to come at least to the 61 here. But we'll wait for a signal. There's a short too. Fuck. I'm a little nervous of this one. But if I'm wrong, I'm okay with it. But maybe we'll just scalp it out, right? Little scalper. And don't go panicky. If it starts going back on you, it's fine. Just trade it normal. You know, if you lose money, you lose some money. Just don't start doubling down, okay? That's what a lot of people do. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Treat it just like any other trade. But this looks like a great trade. All right, there's half your trade right there. What do you mean, Sydney on YouTube? Miss Powers. What do you mean, not easy? I'm gonna take another one. Oof, that one ripped up a little bit. This might be a little bottomishy too, so that's why I'm like, whatever. But I think we're good. Easy, easy. Come on, let's go. Easy. Easy money. Haha, JB, my man on Discord. Yes. Hell yeah. So you have patience. Very good, my friend. Very good. Somebody passed. Now, please, when you go to your funded account later, you'll get an email of the processing. When you go to your funded, trade exactly the same. Don't get all squirrely. A lot of people do that too. This one actually might be a loss, guys. The second one here. Holy shit. You did fucking awesome today. I'm up $692. It's looking very undecided. So you gotta make sure you do that, JB, on Discord. Fucking take your time. Build that base up first. Once you get over like that 4K mark, it becomes very easy because your end of day trailing stops. I wouldn't say easy, but your mind's more at ease. And that's why I'm up. That's why I'm up $9,000 or $10,000 on my Apex, because once I got past that 3,000, I had a little bit more wiggle room, and I wasn't as scared. Very good. That's the way to do it. I would love to say it's that easy what you said, and it seems like you have that mindset anyway, but some people do just fucking panic. That's why I'm saying it. Wow, this is going up, huh? So that was a good move to get out. And it was only one contract. The mental game, it makes a break of this game. It's the largest hurdle by far, I think. Exactly. So by having this indicator, this helps you in my psychology for sure. You know, if it's oversold, overbought, get the fuck out. Wait for another signal. Okay, starting to get a little grayish here. We're at that 11 o'clock, like I normally said, right? We made... So this is what I normally want. And I feel like, Powers, this is for you too. This is what I normally want. My time, 9:30. I had all my signals before 11, and now you're going to know if the market's hot. So we'll wait a little bit longer. And then if it's not hot, just get off and go do whatever the hell you want for the rest of the day. So it's not bad to make fucking $692 and then go F off somewhere, you know? That's normally what I do, but recently, since these news later on in the day with Trump speaking, I've been waiting a little longer. And plus, I've been getting a lot of viewers too, right, on TikTok. We don't have much news for the rest of the day, so if it becomes dead, then we'll move on from life. You know, there's something called overtrading too. And I don't really believe in that, but I think it's more of a mental game. So if you start losing, that's why I keep saying, like, if we start losing like a couple in a row, we need to get the fuck off and just walk away. I've been having a little bit of a hard time with that because I'm streaming live and I feel like I need to perform. But I'm trying to get over that. I can't please everybody, right? I think a nice, and it'll be a good teaching too to, you know, have $692 and just walk away for the day. It feels good to show my account and not get banned. Are you not entertained? Is this not what you came for? Exactly. Exactly. If anybody's on YouTube or Twitch, I also have my Discord running. If you're like, who's saying that? So it can either be this or this. So now gray markets, we usually just sit on our hands, right? But recently I have been trying Fibonacci pullbacks with some breaks. It's been working. But if we start getting too much money back, then we gotta bounce, bro. We're bouncing. Bouncing. Alright. Just chilling. We're getting back to that 61 area. First candle to break a high, we're gonna enter. Or you could sit on your damn hands because it's gray. I could be a little more aggressive in this count because this is a test. This is the test phase. No drawdown. It's only end of day drawdown. So in reality, when I'm on TikTok Trader for at least the beginning stages, it's 692 plus 2,000. So I almost have a $3,000 buffer. But when I go live on this, it's profit trail down until it's 3,000. Apex is similar too. Well, Apex is like that the entire time. Until you get that buffer zone. Then you could just rip it. But I would definitely try to get that buffer, Jay. Get the buffer, and then you can start getting a little more aggressive. Alright, so this isn't going to work here. I wonder if this was actually it. Credit to 78. Okay, so first one to break above will get in. And this is just another strategy we've been doing when it's been gray markets. And it's been working. It is, Jay, but once... So this is what happens to me sometimes. Well, it doesn't happen to me anymore, but in the beginning, I would get my... Okay, I'm gonna enter. One of my issues was, say I did have 2 contracts, right? And the MNQ. Right now, this doesn't feel a lot, right? $100, who cares? But now, on a real account, all right, quick 110, I'm cool with that, right? But say that went the other way. $110, you're like, oh, fuck. I don't want to lose this. This is my new account. I don't want to lose this. Oh, shit, $300? Oh, fuck. It's going to return here. Oh, nope. So, most of it is sizing. For sure. Sizing. And you don't want to go too big in sizing anyway on Apex, because they do that stupid fucking 30% rule. So just be careful on it. And when I mean 30% is like, if you let your loss get to like $800 and then you come back and win, they'll flag you because they're saying that you're gambling. We might get another bounce here. And how are you guys on this Fibonacci stuff? You guys getting confused or are you cool with it? Don't get me wrong, Apex might be good. I just probably broke the rule, the 30% rule. That one day when I held the $2,000 loser, I think that might have flagged me. If that makes sense. Like, I guess they were saying I was gambling. Even though I had the cash. And you shouldn't be holding that anyway. So, I think that's the reason why I got flagged. This week, I'm going to take it very slow. I'm going to make $100 a day. Maybe $50. Even it out over the next 8 days. And then I'll ask for another cash out. And then hopefully I'm good. And then after 5 payouts, you can take full amount out. So let's see. Maybe it is still good. I don't want to jump the gun. But they do have like these little stupid rules. And Take Profit Trader only has basically one rule. Don't hit your fucking drawdown. And don't trade during news. That's it. Oh, and you can only trade 60 micros. If that's not enough for you, then And I understand why they don't want you to trade during the news. Because if you make it to that stage, right, and you put 60 contracts in, and you're fucking right by accident, and you make 10 G's, and you get to pull out 10 G's instantly. It's not over like 5 days. It's instant. Instant takeout. Okay, this is looking bullish again. But I want to wait about 20 seconds If it breaks the high, then we'll get in. Apex was bad for a minute, and then it got good again. Because I got payouts from them before. And then I got a little squealy with my account. I blew it up, and then I started over again. But Top Step has been money every time. I just feel like Top Step takes me too damn long. But I think my head's at a good place right now. Sitting with profit, and then streaming helps me want to do better too. All right, another $100 winner there. 900 bucks. But like in a way, I also want this to be my Apex account too, right? I wouldn't mind having 900 bucks the way I'm making money right now. On your Top Step, do you do Tradeovate or do you do Top Step X? Don't get me wrong, Apex, I believe you, the way your style is, I think you'll probably cash out instantly. I have a link to Ninja Trader. So do you have Ninja Trader on the side? Or do you have Ninja Trader to TradingView? Can you do TradingView? I know they all both own each other. Or Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate. I have a link to. Oh, wow, that shit fucking ripped up. That would have been a great win, huh? But we're just scalping these. Okay, so you just manually look at both? That's cool. It gives you a free TradingView account. I mean, the first one is free anyway. TopStep links directly to it with a program they have you download called Rhythmic Trader. Yep, I know that. Both, yes, I open them both and get a good of the situation for executing. Very good. That's what I mostly do when I have my TopStep X. TopStep X is amazing, by the way. Very fucking good. Very good. If I could put my indicator on that, I would. They just don't give you access to it. They said they're working on it, but I don't know if TradingView would allow them to do that. Yeah, I tried NinjaTrader. I'm not gonna lie, it confused the shit out of me. I could probably do it easily, but being used to Tradeovate is very fucking simple. And then TradingView is even more simple. TopStep X is basically TradingView. And I really like the way they have their drawdowns. Like, say if you put a take profit level, you can draw it down really easily. I'm sure NinjaTrader has that too. This is gonna be this one. Watch. Yeah, I can see how that is NinjaTrader. That's like me and Thinkorswim for stocks. Once you get used to it, Thinkorswim is amazing. It's a different ball game, but definitely a learning curve. So it's probably the same exact thing. I have NinjaTrader. Yes, I have Thinkorswim, and there's a beast at the start. Yeah, but you're never gonna get cleaner shit than that once you learn it. And if penny stocks start getting hot, I know how to trade penny stocks too, so we can start doing that too if we want to. Which I think is gonna happen. If we ever get stimmy checks, that's exact. This is almost like a replay of COVID. And I'm sure you guys remember COVID. It was a wild market. Yeah, I have so much tied in crypto right now. I would probably need to wait a little bit. Either that or just work some overtime. See, this was a good day of trading so far. Wish this was yesterday. I feel so much more calm, chilling. The money just kind of flowed very easily. Everything made sense, right? No whippiness like yesterday. Fuck, I opened this up. It's intense, right? But now that you got past the first step, it always feels like it's really hard, and you did it really good fast. Like, you did a really good job. You should be proud of yourself, because a lot of people fail a lot of times. I'm not proud of it, but when they had that 90% off sale for Apex, I was fucking swinging them. I had like 30, I think I bought like 30 of them. And that's just because I wasn't being patient. Miss Powers. Okay, good. At least you're being honest with yourself, Jay. Most likely, Powers, you need to make your contract size smaller. Only do one until you get used to it, then two. Just don't be silly and start slinging them. Like, I made money from my trading, but as soon as I heard Apex had a 90% off, and it was only $20 for a 150k count, even a 300k count. I was putting like 100 contracts down. Not good. Even today, JB, do you think you were aggressive today? Say you were wrong. What that $1,000 would have hurt you. That's what you really need to start asking yourself. Where would you have stopped at a certain part? Oh yeah, Powers, how much you make on crypto this week? I'm curious. I'm more of a long-term investor on crypto, so I don't do the day trading on it. No, when I entered those trades, I didn't feel stress or lack of confidence. I went in strong, but smart, I think. Okay, good. Okay, so yours is more of a less stressful, right, Powers? 2 times a day only. So like right now, what can make this less stressful is we're done for today, right? You can walk away. I made my $1,000 right here in an hour and 15 minutes. I made my $1,000 in an hour and 15 minutes. So if we wanted to, we could just be done for today. And this is what I usually do every morning. I just make my money and then I walk away. But I've been staying on later because of Trump speaking, and then I kind of feel like I'm pressured to make, put on a show. I'm getting some attention on TikTok. I mean, we had 120 people taking trades with us live yesterday. I mean, I got fucking banned, but so I'm thinking, if you're blowing accounts up already, Powers, you need to reduce your size just a little bit. Get a feel of it. That's most of the time. That's what everybody's issue is the sizing. So I only made that $1,000. What do I think? Take 2 contracts? Maybe I did 3 at one point. But even that's aggressive. Like, I would be cool with 1 because you're going to make that $300 easily. And once you pass and you do 1 contract a day, eventually after 2 weeks, you will be over that $3,000 mark. And then anything after that, if you keep that up, anything after that, you can take out. You can take that profit out. Or you can get a little bit more aggressive, but I would wait until you get more comfortable. Because as soon as I got my 3K buffer, I went a little aggressive. Yes, I made 9 or 10 Gs. But if I was more newer, I would not be doing that. Or maybe I would, and I would have lost it all. Oh, so you weren't taking your loss. You weren't accepting it. Second hardest part, right? First is contract size. Second is actually accepting that you're wrong. And you see me do it sometimes. That's why I came up with this system, right? Well, and I still fuck up. You see me, you guys see me battle my emotions sometimes. I literally made it. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Get out. Get out. And reassess. You can make that money back really quick. Just sometimes you're like, ugh. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, Jay. When you get into your live account, accept when you're wrong, because you will chip away at yourself. And then eventually, say you lose your $400, you're gonna be like, ugh, I'm already fucking drawn down. I might as well just hold this. And it keeps going against you. So small, steady, accept when you're wrong. Small, steady, except when you're wrong. I hope you make money your first one. I do. I truly do. But some people can't handle it. But I think you got a good head on your shoulders already, so I think you're gonna be fine. Just please accept when you're wrong. Accept it. Are we gonna buy signal here? But we haven't pulled back yet. At all. And we're after 11 o'clock, so be careful. Let's wait for another signal. Volume is dead. Dunzo. You could see that the volume just went like this completely for the last 25 minutes. I do too. I believe now I have to make 250 plus a day for 5 trading days before I can request my first payout, right? No. Well, you got to make your buffer, your $3,000 buffer, and then after your buffer, I mean, it counts automatically. So you need to have 2 steps. So you need to get to your buffer. Which, if you get to your buffer, you really don't want to take out too much profit because literally that's your buffer. And then you need 5 days of $50 and then 8 days total of trading. You can go to your Apex account and look at PA accounts, and it'll show you how many days trading you have and how many over $50 you have. So it's 3K, but that's your buffer. And I don't really worry too much about the next step because you're gonna do it anyway. Trade for 8 days. 5 must be $50 winners. I wouldn't even worry about this $50 winner thing. Just trade for 8 days and request your profit. Mostly just worry about your money management and you will be okay. I promise. I'm going to say 3K, but that's your buffer. That's what I wanted to say. This is for Apex. Yeah, Top Step is Cards are weird rules too. That's why I've been looking at TikTok. Take Profit Trader, right? All it is 3K. Watch your, let's see, Take Profit Trader prop firm is 3K trailing until buffer. Take profit that day. That's 3K trailing your... It's just like Apex almost. If Take Profit is legit, and everybody's saying they're getting paid out from them, they sound amazing. It's kind of like... it kind of seems like they're what you want Apex to be, right? But who knows? I'm gonna try doing... What do you need, Powers? Let me know. Well, let me know. What do you think you're struggling on? How many contracts are you using? 1. Good. Start out with 1. If the market is hot, like you're winner, like you got like 3 winners in a row, then you can go to 2 contracts. And then your stop loss needs to be behind the cloud. So if we're wrong, stop loss is hit, then we need to get out. And unfortunately, you're going to have some losers. So last week, it was really hard to trade. So I'm like, I really hate that it was like this week. I really do. Because it kind of makes me look like shit too at the same time. Because I'm like, oh, my indicator doesn't work. But it's not true. It's just the market was so undecided. It didn't know what to do. There's a lot of people, I bet you on YouTube, they're not going to tell you. But I guarantee they blew accounts last week. And you gotta think. Let's see what you posted here. So you see your loss here? Your $690 loss? What do you mean? You're fucking doing awesome. Just nip it in the butt, your loss. I'm looking at your profits at least. Like, you did really good. Your stop loss is your issue. Is this a practice account? Oh yeah, paper trading. Okay. Remember your Apex. Don't let that expire. Make sure that you trade that unless you already blew it. Did you already blow that one? I think you're saying yes. So you blew it. I understand you don't mind paying for it again, but you might as well try to try your Apex eventually. Because your renewal date should be soon and you get charged again. So you might as well just take a shot at it. Does that make sense? But look at that picture that you just sent me. You see how big your 2 losers are? $690. Your 195 is not that bad. And then your 315 is a little large. And right now, we're after 11 o'clock. So volume's kind of dead. We need more confirmation that this is gonna work. So I don't really take these after 11 a.m. Eastern unless the market is hot. You'll know when it's hot. Like right now, this does not seem hot. This needs to pull back. This needs to pull back. It just does not. Look how many sideways candles there are. This is not strong at all. And we just came out of a gray market into a sideways market. No point, no good. Who's Peter? Who's Peter? I don't know too many people that have my style, so. But I was trying to explain that to you before. You got to find your niche, what you like. What is it, Peter on their YouTube? What's his name? Most people I don't have the same style of. Oh, did you post it somewhere else? I missed it. Oh, you actually literally showed me. Who the fuck is that? I gotta see his name on YouTube. Just be careful, don't get scanned. I'm not saying he's a scammer because I have no idea who he is. You better know me better. No, it's all good. If you guys want to take other people's strategy and mix it with mine, it works out fine. Everybody has their own niche. That's what I was trying to explain to you before. Like, you might not like everything I do, and it might not. What's my good word I'm looking for? Resonate good with you, and maybe his strategy might resonate with you and mine at the same time. That's why I'm like, I have no hard feelings if you find something else that you like. I'm trying to see who that is. I don't even know who that is. Can you find him on Discord or something? Oh, he's on TikTok? What's his TikTok name? Same thing? I wonder if he gets fucking banned. Mother effer. Oh, he is on YouTube? See, I don't know the names. While you're checking, I'm gonna go pee pee real quick. I'm back. Okay. What do you say, Peter or something? Peter Printer. Now I'm curious. I found them. I found it. Oh, I see it now. He's got the Lambos though. Careful. Was he live today? I'm not gonna lie, he looks a little scammy. You are my student. I am your sensei, young lady. Alright, we got another buy signal here. If we wanted to wait for it to pull back, we could enter here. This is very strong. But this is not... So like this first one was kind of dudish, right? So we really got to see if how this plays out. I think that's maybe where you're having trouble too. Is yeah, I gotta build my Discord up more. I'm trying. I might just send everyone to my Discord and not even explain anything. I don't know what to do because I don't want to get banned anymore on TikTok. It's very frustrating. I mean, I got like 2,600 followers in a month and a half just being me. I think that's pretty fucking good. So I don't know if I should just send whatever. You're throwing me off because you're messaging me privately. Gotcha. I mean, I think it kind of worked because I had about like 50 people fucking message me when I wasn't streaming. And then I got a lot of signups when I wasn't live on TikTok. But that kind of works out perfect because of my career job. I'll just, on my days off, I talk in here, and then I won't stream online. Message me in the group thing, the voice channel. Because I'm going back and forth, if you don't mind. There you go. Who else is in here? The Swan. Are you liking it? Do you need any help? I see you in here listening. Kevin, you probably fucking killed it today. You jerk. I keep calling Kevin a jerk because he's making money every freaking day. Knock on wood. It was a great morning too. Great morning. Like we finally had what we wanted. I made my $200 on Apex, and then I'm trying a new take profit trader. I made $900 today in that. But that one's not real money yet. It's just a test. Nice. Just watch your position size. And most of the hours is between usually it's 9:30, but watch the news. Always check the news. So we kind of waited before we entered after this 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, it was nothing but fucking bangers the whole time. And then now after 11, I always advise you guys just to be careful because volume starts to die, right? The only reason why I've been trading later on in the day is because the president has been speaking, which makes a lot of movement. So that would have been a winner. But that's really hard to catch, you know? Like one of these random ones. Yeah, we had this one, but I probably would have walked away. Like, this shit's dead, right? And then this one would have been a winner, but I still would have been uneasy about it. But on these really off times, I've been doing Fibonacci. So don't get confused what I'm doing. And don't learn Fibonacci yet. Powers. It's a different ball game. I was just explaining my indicator, and then I said I'm doing Fibonacci on the downtime, so don't get confused by it. Gotcha. It's good not to trade now anyway. Do your 9:30 to 11. We good? Look, a quick $100. Let's go. Sorry, I got sidetracked. All right, I'll take that and I'll walk away. Very quick scalping with this Fibonacci. I actually tried to make this into an indicator for you guys. I can start doing all of it. I just can't do it when I'm working. Very good. Yeah, Dreen, I would love to do this every day. I just, I can't do it at work. But I'm going to try, if you guys prefer, I can do Discord, YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok all at the same time. And then eventually, if I get big, I will just stop doing all social media. Only like once a week I'll do live, and I'll just do just Discord for you guys. I just need to build the clientele up a little bit more. And also, I'm probably going to just start handing out my Discord to everybody and not explain too much, because I just keep getting flagged. And now it's gray market again. So this is telling you that, you know, you don't gotta trade this right now. This caca movement. So that's why I've been doing Fibonacci, just trying it out, see if it's working. And I've just been doing little bass hits. And how do you guys feel about the pricing? I just want to be like clear about it. Do you guys think the pricing's too high? The only reason why I don't think it's too high is I'm making freaking thousands of dollars. What's affordable? I also don't want to give away my work. 30. That's what I'm saying. Other people charge like $100. But I understand they're more live too at the same time. So I'm wondering, like, you know, if I'm offering enough. Obviously, it's the beginning stages. The Swan, great price. I just want to be fair, and obviously, Powers, if you need more time, I'm way more than willing to extend your time. That goes for any of you guys too. I'm not making crazy money on this yet, so. Oh, the 30 days free? I think that's fucking good. Some of my friends are like, why you give them 30 days? I'm like, I want a good clientele base. I don't want anybody to get stuck with it like after 14 days. But if a lot of you guys agree that if it's $49.95 is too expensive a month, then maybe I'll consider lowering it. But I also don't want to be have my work not paid for. What's BBI? Is there a place to review BBI? Oh, Bully Bears Indicator. Is there any place to review it? Honestly, I haven't gotten that far. That's true too. I just beginners I get nervous of because, you know, $49 could be a lot for them if they're not making any money. But if you're making money, you're fucking killing it. Like, in the past 2 weeks, I made over 10 G's, guys. $10,000. It's pretty fucking good. But I also understand that newcomers aren't going to make that at all. So I want to make the price fair. And I think I'd rather ask you guys, because somebody actually canceled and said make it $30. So it's funny that Powers actually said $30, because maybe more people are thinking like that too. I just want it to be fair and also get paid for my work. I don't know where. I haven't gotten that far in life. I'd have to check out other people's stuff. I would have to think about that, where to look. Like maybe make it more like Google-ish. I think you could do reviews on WAP.com, where you get it. Oh yeah, there you go. See, JB was taking the same shit I was saying. Now, I think there is a review section. CK Trader Pro. What's that? Is that a Yeah, I have a daily profit section here too. I think the way that we're growing, if you guys are patient with me, in 6 months we'll have at least 1,000 people in here, I think. I just gotta keep making the money and then they'll come. If you build it, they'll come. CK Trader Pro. What's that? Is that let's see. Oh, they have their own indicators, right? But you can get most of those indicators for free on TradingView. If you go to indicators here, most of them are free. They just have their own twist on it. So theirs is more like, hey, do you like my MACD better? Mine actually is legit. How do I say it? Will make you money. Those are more of, they will make you money, but those are your preferences. Oh, why am I moving? This is breaking. Yeah, so mine's like mine's very price action based along with the indicator. You can't get that I don't know if you guys see on TikTok, there's so many people asking me on how to do it. They're not going to get it. They're not going to get it. And I couldn't get it either for a long, long time. Most of it, you need price action for any indicator to work. And I've luckily have found that answer. It took me a long time though. It took me a long ass time. Let me see a WAP. There's got to be a review section on WAP. I wonder if this is finally coming down to that area I was talking about. So I wanted to make an indicator, right, that did this Fibonacci. But this shit is hard as shit. I can't code it. I tried so hard. I can't code it. I think there's too many variables with it. Because I would love to give this to you guys for free. Love to give it to you. Yeah, that's why I keep trying to be honest as shit. Like, you need money management. Nothing is going to give you 100%. Nothing has that holy grail. I've searched for it. Maybe I'm one of those gold chasers and I couldn't find it. If this breaks a high, I'm going to enter again for a scalp. So this style of trading here, when there's no signals and it's just a dead market, like I can teach you guys this for free. Obviously, this isn't a big deal. It's just a lot harder to trade. It doesn't give you the punch you in the face signals. But I'll just keep moving it until it starts to bounce off a level, and then as soon as it breaks a high, I'll enter. Maybe somebody's already cracked this code and has this coded. We'll see. I can even pay somebody for it. Yeah, it just works better if you have a model you follow, not just pressing the button when versus buy or sell. I mean, I'm trying to understand what you say there. But I think the just give it to you right here is what makes this work so good, because it takes a lot of psychology out, right? You get a signal most of the time between 9:30 and 11. The signals are right, and if it's wrong more than twice, then you should sit on your hands anyway. It's after 11 where shit gets shady. And that's because of volume. Any indicator, even price action, gets really sketch. Real sketch. So if any of you guys need extra time with my indicator, just let me know. And then, oh, so this kind of, we'll do a little buy here, and it'll be a very quick scalp. So what I did was, I took the low to the high, and you could do this anywhere, but you got to see where it starts to come to the level. And then as soon as it bounces off, so that actually probably would have been this. I'm sorry, I moved it before. See how it's bouncing? And then finally we get a break after all these candles down. And that's all I'm doing. And this is on off time hours. We could take profit here, or we could see if it goes up. Most likely it's not ripping up, so we'll take it out. $30 win. And today on my take profit trader, I'm up $1,006. Apex, I'm up, I think, like $200. This might continue down. We'll wait for a signal. So this kind of looks bearish, right? So if we get a signal, we can enter. But it is after 12, so I won't be going in too heavy if it does. Also, I see a Fibonacci here, though. But we don't want to go against the trend. Yeah, there's a review section on WAP on the bottom. Hey, Scarlet. It's so hard to get an algorithm going on YouTube and Twitch. TikTok, you guys be seeing, I have like over 100 people in there. And YouTube, I'll have like 1, 2, definitely a different algorithm, and I'm not sure how to figure it out. I'm just gonna keep grinding on it slowly in the background. This is what happened here. So you could have took that, but you're now fighting the small trend here. If this gives a signal, it's gonna be really good. All right, a nice bounce off that, so be careful. Just watch it. What's up, Scarlet? We're doing all right. We're up $1,000 today. I'm banned on TikTok for 3 days, so we decided to come here. All right, I'm gonna enter. Let's see where this can go. Just the potentials. I'm in a short. We're gonna see how it acts at this level and this level. Let me get rid of this so we can see a little better. First level is touched. I'm gonna take just one off, and then we'll let the other one ride off until it turns color. This can pull back a little bit, don't get nervous. Most likely it can do up to this area and then rip back down. But we already took one out. So basically this is a free trade so far. But we'll hold this until it changes colors. We just have to be noting what time of the day it is also. It is 12 p.m. Eastern. All right, nice little rejection area here a little bit. We're still waiting, we're watching. It's dancing around a bit. It can go up to here, so don't get nervous. But our stop loss is always behind the cloud. If it goes below this, we're probably gonna get a 3-bar play, which is a really big move to the downside. Fighting here. So whenever it's fighting, you can obviously take your profit too, you know? All right, we got orange at this level. So it's either going to crack through, but any bullishness I'm going to get out. Any bullishness. Like if it starts breaking above here, I'm going to get out instantly. But you're not wrong taking profit instantly right here. I just want to see if it wants to continue down just a little bit more. All right, we're going to take it. So you guys saw, it was $150 in 2.5 minutes. Not bad, right? Not fucking bad. going to continue, isn't it? So sometimes we miss it, sometimes we don't. We'll wait for another signal. Did any of you guys get on that? Nice, nice. It was very clear. So when we take trades later on in the day, which you don't have to. It's just, that's your options. So what is the trend doing? Like, are we pulling back pretty good? We're finally pulling back, you know, like it's, so when we got this short, it's pretty much a good confirmation it's going to go through. This one was gray, went up, right? We didn't get a signal and we started to what? Pull back way too far. We're below the cloud right here. So this signal, when we got it, wasn't the best. You see how this price is doing this? Really fucking choppy. So try to see that when it's later on in the day. Now, if we go to this one when we got this short, it looks like a waterfall down, right? So your probability of having a better success rate on that short becomes better. And then we'll wait for the next one. And if it doesn't give it to us, then we don't get it. These are just possibilities. You guys do not need to do this. So it's almost like my system's like, hey, don't overcomplicate it, but just pay attention to what the market's doing at the same time. So in reality, none of those actually stuck. So this can come down more, but we're going to wait to see if we get another signal instead. Did you get on that, Powers, young lady? Yay, yay, yay. Also, Powers, if you want and you're not able to look at the charts, you can right click on your signal here, add alerts, go to, leave it at any, and then you just pick your time on when you want it to stop. So if you guys are like, I don't want to sit here, you guys can walk away and just have your speakers playing. Do you guys think I chased that one a little bit? I don't know. Let's see. I mean, none of it changed colors yet, so. Well, I really drew this line straight, huh, guys? This is really far away from the clouds. Just be careful. So you got to think about that too. Like, your risk to reward is pretty big here. But we're still having a nice waterfall here. And most likely we're going to come down here. But we're going to get out instantly if the colors, the candle starts changing colors. So not a big winner, but not a crazy risk, right? Because we are later on in the day, and I don't want to give back my profits. I'm already up $1,141 on this account. Somebody in the mid-large cap is saying short YM3 micros. Let's see if he's right. This is rejecting this pretty bad here, but we'll see. Gotta have patience. I'm only in one contract, so if it wants to pull up here, I'm okay with it. But this is another thing to keep thought, is how far away you are, how big's this cloud, how big's your stop loss gonna be. So that should be your position size also. So if you're panicking right now and you got in this, you're panicking, then you're sizing too high. You're sizing too high. You're not letting it enough room to breathe. And we could be wrong, right? And if we're wrong, we're wrong. $5-minute is very oversold. But we'll see what it does here. And we're really far away from the cloud. Holy shit. I'm just curious to see what this Fibonacci was. Yeah, we got room. We got room. But this is also a lesson too at the same time. If it goes up here and it closes, then I'm wrong. I'm wrong. And we gotta walk away. You know, out of whatever money I made today, if I'm wrong one of them, we have to accept it. I'm okay with it. Over time, we will be around 70% or higher, right? We're still looking good. I feel like it wants to go lower. But I also don't want to gamble my profits, right? So we're at the 78 now. We go to the 1, or we can even go down here. These are just possibilities. You could just listen to my indicator. Just listen to the colors. Trying to see where a better fib is. Extension. Oh, so we got potential. Sorry for all the lines. I could delete this one so we don't get confused. Looks like it's accumulating, right? We're still really strong for the downside. So I probably gotta make a video for that too, how to set up alerts. You just right click on the signal and go to add alerts. Create, that's it. So you can walk away and you can listen to it. You can actually have it emailed to you or text message, but that might be too slow. This is dragon face right here. As soon as it breaks that, we should be okay. So this is a bearish move, right? And not all the time they work. So just remember that. Now, what do you think the next part is? But sometimes, you know, the market makers can see this and everybody sees it and it's wrong. It's wrong. Still being patient. Wants to fall. It's a lot of wicks though. Oversold. Now it can go above, it just can't close. We need this to reject. And if it's a loser, it's a loser. That 78 is right at the fucking red though on the 5. That's what bothers me. But we need to stick to our rules. We got 30 seconds left. Yep, this is gonna be my last trade too. Anyway, guys, we need to start trading the mornings and then enjoying the rest of our days, right? The only time I stay on later is if, like, the president's speaking. I know, I'm excited for you too, Jay. Jay passes prop firm today. Damn, this should be a closer, right? We're gonna see if this rejects this. That 100% should be your exit though. See, it's rejecting. I probably might take this as a loss. Let's see. That's what I was trying to say. I think the market makers can see this. And this also could have been like a swan move. I highly don't recommend this. But we were just curious to see what it does there. But you should be closing this out. I'm about to close it just to make an example. I just feel like it wants to come back down. But this is a warning sign, right? This is, hey, the market's about to get real choppy, so yeah, I think I'm going to close this. All right, so we were wrong. It was the first one I was wrong today. And you guys are probably like, motherfucker. Gotta watch your sizing. So we're back to $1,050 today. Just go to my beginners section on here. Beginners no knowledge. I have like 12 videos of other random people. There's no point of remaking them if there's like hundreds of videos on YouTube. I just picked ones that made sense and I put them in there. And then this is futures trading right here. This is micro NASDAQ. Crypto is a lot harder to day trade, like my style. But we're up $200 on my Apex, and we're up $1,050 on my Take Profit Trader. So not a bad morning, right? Not a bad idea to walk away right now. All I recommend is you just take your time, Scarlet. Learn first and don't use your hard-earned money. So you see how this was a warning system? You see how I know this is I know you guys are like shit. Like I'm so pissed off that was a loser. But you see how this closed above? It's now trending up. This is a warning system, so take the advice. That's why I'm always like, hey, close the trades when it goes above. Don't hold it and wish it comes back, because I promise you, from my experience, I have blown more accounts hoping and wishing that it was going to come back, and it never does. Ever. It could easily be this side, this move right here. It can easily come back all the way up to this 19.5. Do you want to hold it through that mess? Yeah, I'm going to hop off too, guys. Hopefully you guys learned something. We did very well this morning. And I just want to say, just use money management before you do any system. Even if you don't stick with me, right? Even if you don't stick with me. In the future, use money management. Alright, guys, I'm going to hop off. Do some work around the house. And that's the beauty of trading, right? I made fucking $1,200 today. And now I can go do whatever the F I want. It's very cool. Alright, Edrine. Later, bro. Later, guys. I don't even know how to disconnect this. Discord. Disconnect. YouTube and Twitch. Have a good one, guys. If you guys want my Discord, I will link it. Join there. You can get all the links you need to for everything.